Moses was peeping women that were taking their baths.
From the basket with still napkin for waist. Now there is stammer. No say Moses you want.
Now what did they stammer?
Now what did he see?
To say such things.
Then he say, oh my God. If you check, when we men, when we are in the other room, who stammer?
The other.
Who stammer? No man talks normal in the other room.
I don't know.
It's not possible. Annie is a witness.
Can we move forward?
We are moving forward.
Have you seen any man talk normal?
Normal in the other room. Okay, help us.
How?
Wait, you should have an experience
like 35,
who told you?
like 45 years experience.
I have experience for 2 days. Jesus.
Tell me any man who talks normal when they stammer for the other room.
I don't know what you're talking about, please.
Especially when lights off.
That you stammer. If they say, what is the budget of River State? You want
So moving forward.
Moses,
there's no forward
at
and we're already in front.
Moses was how many months? 3 months.
Yes.
3 to 6 months. Moses arrived with a ship. Where women they bath
near inside where bush. What do they call that thing? Near what did that way they clear for bush for water, top water.
I said. What I said.
I for water I said.
Go reach where women they bath. No master. Now move and go reach
Envy Moses.
Envy Moses. Yes, that's all. Only him land. From that day Moses was an Ajebo.
Yes. In the midst of women, from one hand to another.
And you know, see, Egyptian prince, them. Now women they bath them all.
Now women they don't know the
see they're old.
Yes.
Nobody will small. Our mama go bath up. We slap our waist. Bah. You don't see where they bath.
Young girl. I don't see her.
Very good.
They arrange everything.
And I don't know why you don't have this experience. Do get belly born. You know what I'm talking about.
They cannot have 35.
Now
they cannot do IT for Mugo.
The reason why Iku of women comes out, the waste of women comes out, especially the
Calabari,
the riverine people.
Why is always alive on that day?
Yes. Because if you see where they bath, man picking and woman picking is different.
Okay.
The female children they take time. My grandmother take time when she want bath
to press the body.
Yes. You could see they could straighten. If the girl come out with bow leg, they will rearrange it to.
Your grandmama hand.
My grandmama go hold what we call imbielo. You don't know what is imbielo?
What's it?
Cannel oil. Cannel.
To take straight in the body.
You don't know pan cannel oil, black one. You know,
why do they straighten the body?
Yes, because girls are very important. Yes. You know what make you carry bow leg come out like a coach?
Your bride price don't reduce. It don't affect your
straight leg. Now, my mom will use imbiolo, the black cannel oil. Rub the girl leg, straighten.
The other one.
Then later she'll go use her hand, the 2 hands
to hold the
bum side. They raise them up. Wow. My mom will say, wait, now from here the bum they start. From the back that side. She will raise, go down to the down to raise them up.
There's a point of
meeting point. Like saying they lift shock absorber.
I'm sorry for talking like
that. Gradually,
I like the way they cannot keep hand.
Yeah, that's what they do. Every day, gradually, if they see the bomb they grow. That's why you see.
From that picking shape.
Yes, so
on the grow.
That's why you see.
After we will give out our number in case you need
taken out for
for any girl who come out get flat bomb like Annie, they did not massage it. Her grandmother did not do it.
Our grandmother no, they did not kind of thing.
Can you imagine? Bring your little children as young as they are.
Even now. The grandmother's grandmother can see mold.
No, she don't die.
Oh, okay.
She's late. I took from her.
So even older women have to.
Yes. Like
so I can help you.
You still have chance.
I help you to move.
That's what I can.
And you still have chance. You have see if hearing the sound of my voice, see.
If you're under the influence of the
yes, there's a chance for you that if you have a flat ears like this,
like I can get bread.
With a breast. Or like you want to open bread, put a car inside. Come, very good. You have a chance to grow your bum. I can help you. I can help you.
And you enter leave door.
Now I'm attending to from 18 years and above.
Let's do it like the people come to. We have a seminar.
A seminar. We have a seminar.
How you can grow your bum.
Growing your bum, making it
with that Brazilian surgery.
Yes, all these things you pump inside a bum, you will die. By the time you fly up to Abuja, the higi in the plane can explode your bum.
There is no need to wear fake one.
No need.
Yes.
And we are here. Tekena is here. I will use what to call Imbielo recipe. Imbielo oil.
Operation restore the bum.
Don't bother. Don't be afraid of me. Okay, you advise wear bra and wear blouse top. Then you know that I have to work on the bum, so don't wear no need for wearing anything. Don't be afraid.
Come as you are.
I cannot massage you alone. My workers are there.
Experience hands.
Michael is my worker. That Ule is there. So don't be afraid. And it will also be in the room.
I'm not going to be there.
So don't be afraid that anything can happen to you. But in case you need things to happen to you,
insurance cover you.
Insurance cover you.
So
you will grow bum.
You are not well.
So you just wake up.
This is a problem in this state.
You are not just a well person. That's all I can tell you.
This is a problem in this state.
Annie.
So from Moses, we enter palace. Now you end up now inside Bum using Imbiama. I guess it's Imbiolo.
Good. You don't know Imbiolo. Don't you know Imbiolo?
I don't know Imbiolo.
These people are they don't born there well.
Anything.
You don't know Imbiolo. See, if only Nigeria can export Imbiolo, we will have.
Wait, you said Imbiolo is made out of what?
It's
palm kernel.
The black one. That's small. That's
the black
small.
one.
The palm kernel. They grind it and from there.
The fruit.
I get the oil out of it.
Get the oil out of it. It's very medicinal. It's very. In fact, I don't know.
I remember for her.
You remember? No.
I remember for her.
Black one.
The black one.
That's one.
That's called Imbiolo.
Is Imbiolo.
If they can export it, everyone. This state.
To which country?
People will not be going to Brazil anymore. They'll be coming here.
Singapore.
Singapore now can't grow the one way past our own palm.
After all, who can't thief our
No.
our
When they use the
palm
palm oil like that, when they sabi.
who can't thief our palm kernel?
We will teach them Imbiolo.
Ordinary Elele, where they are. They thief our palm kernel, nobody knows.
Nah, Malaysia.
Which one? Malaysia, Good.
Today they are the highest producers
Of palm kernel.
palm oil.
That's from palm kernel now.
Yeah, no.
Very good.
They take them from Abia State actually, from part of Biafra.
No. No, Elele, yeah.
Yes. Raising palm.
The way everyone, this is your boy head. We want to start from the ozone layer, the side. Did you apply small Imbiolo? Very good.
Help him with his mission.
So this morning you wake up, all you want to talk about is useless.
They don't massage you. That is when you should ask your mother. Thank God say your mother is still alive. Ask her. Do you know, Annie? There are new commissioners in this state.
We have been jumping from story to story.
No verse.
We have not even finished.
High spirit.
We have not even finished.
Let me tell you something.
From
From now, it's like a headline news.
Now we do so. We drop out.
They drop out.
it's
Because
almost 9 o'clock.
new commissioners arrive.
They have arrived.
They were there before since they have no portfolio. They were carrying handbag.
They are portfolio-less.
They were carrying handbag and moving up and down. Now, okay, polythene. What's the difference between handbag and polythene bag?
Handbag. I need to use handbag.
Handbag is used by women.
Yes.
Polythene bag.
People use handbag when they get portfolio now, like all those them.
Portfolio is different.
Only you did them. Culture and tourism.
They get
Then use handbag. A Oyagri wife. Them use handbag. But Tamnos Susi Gogo Jaja. Jumdeko, Ema Oka, all those ones. Polythene bag, the workers.
Since,
The
okay.
difference is this.
Tell us.
Polythene bag is called Kawara bag.
Chaka.
Because the bag they do para. My mama they call it Kawara.
You get the one way soft. You get the one way.
The stronger one. No, this very.
The one of 50 naira.
No, those,
Shaka.
no,
Those Shaka bag.
those soft ones are used to put things like sweets.
Okay, that one they call it leather. Leather.
Okay, leather.
Or black.
Or black.
Or black.
What's the buy some for market?
Give me black.
Give me black. Okay. Black is small. Everybody's soft.
Very soft.
I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about Kawara bag.
That's the main one, way long.
Way long.
Good.
There's some kind of design.
Design is very good. That's why you don't buy Gary and all good. The things don't they plenty. You look for Kawara bag. God bless you. God bless you. Go ahead.
According
So those ones they use Kawara bag.
Yes. You know now they have been given portfolio.
Portfolio.
The portfolio. My papa went in that life, they call them potomanto.
Manto.
Do you know potomanto?
All black. Therefore the minute you
Leave automatic or something.
I mean, this is intentional.
They're unintentive.
This voice where is so.
You hear when the governor spoke?
This voice where is so.
When the governor
It's catching people's ears.
This voice now they dey for government house.
yeah,
If you have this voice,
when the governor
they
responded,
can mistakenly be a governor. Who knows?
when the governor responded to the minister for which minister
Science
Science and technology. He follow the guy read him. He knows that the guy. Yes, if the guy falls low. Now governor look at this blind. This guy. They send you. They send you because they go don't tell you say once you go to pastor, go down. What? I will give you your level. Now you go down.
Go down low.
Now,
Continue.
Governor said,
Continue. No. Continue with the shakara and the black.
It's a good thing that you're from the other party. You're from opposition party. And you have come here. I hope all the opposition party. Some of your people don't understand. If we talk now, they will say, we are talking. Are we talking?
You're whispering.
See,
You're whispering.
I don't feel hear the thing when I increase the follow my radio. I said, what is happening there? Now the governor they talk or now the minister they talk.
They are whispering.
Because the two of them, I expect that they should take their BP tablet before.
See, let me tell you. See, the governor gets one unique voice. You understand?
He has not one.
That they tell you. He gets,
according to the situation.
Now he they take
response. They take the response.
Because even when they give appreciation to the editors guild.
Very good, you hear that one.
The response be like saying, I want him, they want them. I want to thank all of you. Thank you for coming because you chose to the best thing. I can't say, governor, they come here with this. I get to
they cut their money.
I get to the lower the distance because they say, okay, now appreciation they do so. Now so in voice day. So normally
it depends on the gara way carry come. We'll find out that the Minister for Science and Technology come down mellow. In the talk small.
So the governor get to come to 11.
Governor look and say, I will give you what you want.
I will follow you. Bend down low.
Bend down low. You see?
Now they begin whisper.
Yes, small. Now that everybody have given them portfolio. Commissioner for Information, Morka. It will gladden our hearts to remind you that the man who had been there before you ran away.
Took off.
He ran. I hope you are not going to follow him.
No.
You cannot.
Morka is seasoned.
It's a season.
Yes, it's like my
very good.
It's like
tried and tested.
It's like
it's a seasoned Commissioner for Information.
Yes.
He has been there before.
Seasoned politician is better because he was.
He's not a technocrat.
He's not a technocrat.
Very good.
Technocrats are the biggest problem.
They run away.
He's a Nokia cat. He's a Nokia cat. He's not a techno.
They run away.
Technocrats like his Michael brother.
Stop that nonsense. He's really wrong. He's still important.
Oh, excuse me.
No. I disagree into two.
Can I finish?
No, I will not allow you.
Okay. Technocrats like Alex, Commissioner, see me in 2 weeks. Alex Nemi,
former Commissioner of Education.
See me in 2 weeks.
See me in 2 weeks.
Technocrats like this Bonnie woman, Simon Hart.
Yeah, Simon Hart.
Official Simon Hart.
Those are technocrats. They run by the wind. They follow the tide. One small yawa day, they don't move.
In the last, I can't hear me again. No.
And then they go ahead.
In the last dispensation, there were technocrats.
Say in the last government.
There were technocrats that even came from abroad.
Very good.
From nowhere and took over offices. We have people that have been here,
including Kaneri,
dodging from being killed.
They ran.
They were here, they did not give them anything.
I don't sure say now.
Now, there is a lesson we have learned.
Is there any technocrat now?
No, I don't
inside this cabinet?
No.
That is a complete grassroots politician. Grassroots. Don't worry yourself.
Mention the name, you know.
Mention the name because that's a technocrat.
Who will tell you? There is one thing in
Honorable Rutherford Longjohn.
Grassroots.
That one a grassroots.
Complete grassroots. Bonny. He was a former chairman of Bonny local government area.
Fred Bako.
No, not for grass, now only roots.
Yeah, in our roots. Those ones are the top roots
of Gokana.
Of Gokana.
Mrs. Tonya Onyede.
She said, Port Harcourt girl. Port Harcourt girl. Who again?
Tonya is grassroots.
Who's there?
Barrister Mrs. Yuke Oyagiri.
Oh, complete.
For Abua, he didn't match.
She carried. Now that woman carried ballot box through Chester.
Oh!
He was the former majority leader of Rivers House of Assembly when Amechi was.
Only him turned Opobo Kingdom into 4 parts.
Stop that nonsense.
Opobo North, East, West, and South.
He was also a deputy governorship candidate.
Are you hearing me?
To Takana's brother.
Professor Rosaline Konya.
Oh,
Professor Rosaline Konya is a woman.
She's a technocrat.
No. She's a woman of.
She's a person with
she's a crat.
She's intelligent.
I heard something about her.
She's a crat.
She's a crat.
Don't remove the
they say last election.
Infinity crat.
Remove the techno. Last election. Happy
Phoenix crat.
And some people together with her came to a junction in Ghana. Trying to augment the ballot box
to move to Korabasi.
It did not move.
To congregate it there.
You have seen a power.
Now, but there was a counter force.
Have you heard?
That's not even moving.
The woman is a politician, though she was. Now she'd be.
Forget that she's very intelligent.
Graduate school.
Alright, I'm hoping that this person's department go there better than the last one. Social welfare. Honorable Demite Herbert Miller.
Miller, that name resembles Nkoron name.
Yes, Nkoron has such.
They have a
who they come?
Demite Herbert Miller.
Damiete. Not
Damiete.
I am foreseeing him.
What is his office?
Now, social welfare.
Now,
I see him
and cripples.
If cripples don't use if cripples don't use wheelchair flogger, then you will survive.
I don't even forget that last commission always say, you don't see him direct. When they read newspaper.
That's John Proper. For him, he can imagine such a lucrative government when money be the fly, whip.
In the time
in the fire will come visitor. For this guy, I advise him to pray from his house. If not,
or to make friend with disabled.
If not, they will use.
See who they power. Honorable Shedrack Chukwu.
Shedrack
Chukwu.
No. Maybe the way they play ball for our team. Maybe
they promise this guy local government chairman.
This one is a technocrat. We don't know this one. He's a technocrat.
We don't know this guy.
He's a technocrat. Okay, we don't know one technocrat.
We don't know him bad side.
We would like to know him.
Yes, we have known one technocrat.
We want to know him.
He's not a technocrat.
How do you say technocrat? He's a techno. You don't know.
Governor Nyesom isn't one wiki. Does not make C-O-N, not G-O-N. Gina. C-O-N.
Now he puts Gina.
She puts C-O-N.
That man,
it doesn't order of the Niger.
It doesn't make mistakes.
That's why they can't put G sometimes.
It doesn't make mistake twice. He has made the first mistake where he wants to satisfy everybody.
Techno.
And they carry
they thought the infinite crash. Even Samsung crash, everything can move there.
had his lessons from technocratism.
He has brought
realism.